Myself Dr. Sanjay P. Shukla. As I have given information on my YouTube channels about all the meisms. Now in this course I am going to explain you all the meisms and with their genetic connections. Each meism is nothing but a result of genetic changes in our genome. Change at genetic level collectively decide the prominent meisms which express itself as a temperament, constitutions and pathology. These genetic mutations can be hereditary or acquired. These meisms are intrinsic reactions patterns of every particular individual which is expressed at mental, physical and pathological levels. There are mainly three types of genetic mutations: additions, substitutions and deletions. These three main mutations can be compared with three meisms: SORA, psychosis and syphilis. Also, these mutations produce changes in the function of cell, particularly in production, protection and destructions. Thus, they express the similar kind of pathology on physical and mental level. These indicate that every level the law of similia similibus curanter is true. These mutations further have many subtypes, like meisms have many combined meisms. Every emotions or feeling at psychic center of brain is connected with particular organ like bone, give strength to the framework of body and protect the visceral organ. Hence they are connected to emotions related to security and strength, which can be various level like health, finance, etc. And when these feelings are triggered by various exciting and maintaining causes, they lead to mutations of gene related to the organ, that is bone, and hence causes pathology related to the bone. Same is true for every organ and pathologies. For example, if person has no clarity about his future and present, no vision, no goal or excessive ambitions and very weak visions which is beyond his miasmatic strength, patient goes into compensate state and it creates disturbance of psychoneuroendocrine axis and thus lead to mutations at gene related to formations of functioning of eyes, which may lead to ophthalmic pathologies. The pathology thus produced are decided by strength of the meism which that individual has. This is nothing but Newton's third law of motions. Every action has equal and opposite reaction. This is also prove our homeopathic law, that is similia similibus curanter. This is the short view about the meisms and its genetic relations. If you want to understand it in detail, you have to join my course. The detail is given backside on the screen.